Yeah, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here with another app, and today I'm just going to talk about the miner app, but it's going to be slightly different miner because we are mining the time. So like the same, like there was a movie about this, right? In time. That's the movie, In Time. So we're actually mining the time in this app. So whatever that means, well, basically we're just mining time, but obviously time is the asset. So for that asset we will receive something, I hope, at some point. So the first screen is the mining screen. I'm not going to really read a lot about this because I just feel like if you really want to dive into this, like you can use my ref and yeah, just join me within the mining. So this is like the first tab, mining tab. We have the initial reward, we have difficulty, we have the people who are currently mining online, so not really much people, 29 people, mining stats, and we're just gonna jump to the Chrono tab. So there's the time machine, and obviously you need to spend stars / money to get normal mode, I believe so. We have the mining time, we have the numbers of server here, and then I climb my 4 hours of mining, which the next one is going to be 12 hours 30 minutes from now. So I'm not really wanna use any money on this. Mining streak 0 days. So I believe so I started yesterday then. Because I don't have any streak. It's like X1. Rent a server. So we can rent a server. Then we can add the mining time. Then if we wanna, you need at least one server to get hours. Okay, so what about the renting a server? If I'm gonna press this, servers 1, duration 24 hours, estimate price. So we can actually rent a server for 20 stars per day. So that equals 600 stars per month. So I don't know, it's a lot or it's not a lot. Well, I guess like if you have money and you don't have anything else to do, it's like probably fuck all. The question is what we are going to have from this. And then what about those things over there? Oh, fuck me, 2000 stars. No. X2, 1000 stars. Double your mining speed and receive 12 minutes of free mining time every hour. Okay. Yeah, but that's like seems like super expensive. Like, what's the reward system is going to be here? That's the biggest question. Like, the app seems like okay. I mean, I don't even like mad they're pricey because if at the end of the day if they're gonna reward you with this, so like that's supposed to be, but like we don't really know much about this. So this is like, I think my token stats reach. So we have 560 holders. My balance is like super low, as you can see. Apparently somebody have like this, so like I don't know how much money they spent already in this, but a lot. Okay, 360 holders, so there's not really much people here. One time task, join Telegram channel, join Telegram group, okay. And then we have the referral program, which I don't know what I'm going to have, but maybe I'm going to press that info. Excuse me. Information button here, and you will get 4 hours of mining time for each friend who joins. Your friends get 2 hours of mining time when they join. Okay, cool. So you will have as well 2 extra hours at least. No limit on how many friends you can invite. Track your referrals and rewards in real time. The more friends you invite, the more hours you earn to mine Chronos tokens. Okay, okie dokie. So, well, at least I will have some time if you're going to join me. And then there's my balance, token status launching 2025, claiming status is mining, is beta testing complete, mass adoption currently, can airdrop April, May. Okay, so it's going to be airdrop, token utility on June, October. Then you have the resources, Telegram community we can join. So don't mind if I do. Can't press this, okay, so I'm going to join differently. So it's going to be airdrop, but it seems like it's kind of tricky to farm unless you have lots of money to spend to do this. And like, I don't know why people actually investing so much money into that. So it's currently 34,000 mined, and this is what's left. So 100 million tokens. So I like that, like it's like transparent and you know how much it's still to farm this. So definitely worth to try, because at the end of the day you're not paying anything unless you want to commit more. But seems like a well-designed app. Funny idea to mine time, and then you will receive the Chronos token, which is going to be probably worth fuck all, but we don't know that, do we? So thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.